Lord. In my last video, I did an apple cider vinegar rinse. In this video, I'm going to detangle my hair, retwist, and style it. Okay, so I've already washed my hair. The back, I went ahead and I separated it. I'm going to do the same to the front because some of it is a little knotted. It's been a minute, okay? I don't like doing my hair. Or hair, period. I really don't like to do it. So, yeah, I'm going to separate the front. And what I mean by that is, like, you know, just take it out. And I'm just going to run my hands through it. Make sure, like, the parts are clear. Like, you see how that is, like, you know? You just want to pull anything that's stuck together. Pull that apart. Yeah, see that? See that? Ooh, Lord. I'm sectioning my parts just to make sure there's no tangles before I go in and actually start to detangle my hair. Now I'm starting to actually go through and detangle each section of my hair. You may notice some painful looking facial expressions. Don't mind me, this is just a process. This is when I started retwisting the back. This lock right here had a lot of buildup. I had to go through and pick it out. This is some of the buildup from that lock and some other locks that I picked out after doing the apple cider vinegar rinse. So it did actually help me remove some of the product. Prior to retwisting, I do go in with oil and just moisturize my hair. I like to do the rope twist method because I feel like it makes my retwist last longer. So all I do is just retwist going clockwise on both locks and then I twist them together. And I use a rubber band to seal it at the end. As I'm twisting each individual lock, I like to go all the way down and make sure I'm wrapping the excess hair around the lock. This lock is done. I'm going to wrap it around to hold it in place and do the exact same method on the next lock. And from there, combine the two locks together to form your rope twist. And from there, seal it with a rubber band. So that's pretty much how I do my retwist. After I'm done, I go ahead and just oil my whole head. I make sure I have oil on my roots, on my ends. So this is the finished look. This is how I take care of my locks. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.